EDC, or everyday carry, has become a very popular habit to acquire. Here we are in Vegas at SHOT Show 2018, and we're going to go around and look and see what they've got to offer. So the first thing we need is a bag to put everything in. So let's go check out one of the best EDC bags coming out in the fall. Everyday carry, obviously you got to have a bag. So this backpack is a 12-hour pack. It's made of lightweight Kadura. It's got fast tacks. It's got YKK unjammable zippers. It's got little hideaway pockets. In the backside, you can put either a laptop or small iPads and tablets. It's got the volume for, like I said, 12 hours of life support, water, food, all the things you need. What I really like about it is it's got a very slick concealed carry pocket. You can get right in there quick. It's on the outside, draw your weapon, and move. But what most people don't notice is it has no attachments, and that's what makes it readily accessible so that you can get to that weapon quickly without having to undo Velcro or any of the zippers or anything else. Of course, it's hydration ready, just like most packs these days. You can put a Camelback in there, and I'm guessing it comes in a lot of different colors, and one of the big things is this hex attachment. So you can attach something in 12 different directions on here, vice what we're used to, which is only like 1 or 2 directions with loops. All right, now that we've identified our EDC pack, we're gonna go find things that'll go well with it. First thing, a gun to draw. The next everyday carry item that I would push out there is the Shadow Glock 19. Shadow Systems out of Texas. These guys put together a great, inexpensive slide with the RMR cutout. It's grooved, it's ported, making the slide a little lighter so that it cycles faster. It also makes the overall weapon lighter. When you pick this up, I mean, it's super light compared to what you would think when you initially see it, even with the RMR on there. That RMR cutout, Trijicon, they've done a great job with the reflex sight, with the halo dot inside. And then, of course, they've got the extended front and back sights. You can pick your kind of barrels you want. You can almost customize the Shadow gun with fluted, dimple, all titanium nitrate coating, make it a nice hard product, frictionless, and then, of course, threaded. The reason I like threaded is because the next best thing to shooting something loud is shooting it quietly. Another lightweight piece of gear that you should have every day is a carbon fiber suppressor. Small Arms Technology have done a great job building something that you can put 30 rounds through this thing and still touch it when you're done. Effectively suppresses 9mm. It's ported at both ends, giving the gas a place to go. And like I said, this thing does not get hot. And that is usually an issue with most of your suppressors out there, but not this one. This is the only carbon fiber one on the market. Well, you wouldn't have an EDC kit if it didn't have a form of starting fire. This is the Exotac Nano Spark. What's cool about this thing is you can literally use one hand to create fire, which we all like fire. And another cool thing about it is they put a tinder compartment here. Put all your tinder in there, you're good to go. You have it with you. It's always reliable, whether it gets wet or any kind of weather. And the next best thing is it's made in the USA, CNC machines in Georgia. Those were just some of the things that you can carry and some of the things here at SHOT Show. Obviously, environment that you're walking into or driving into or where you work each day dictate your everyday carry. So make sure you got the right tools for wherever you're going in the future, and be safe out there.